Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis and also upload important market related news. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional setup. I'm doing this from the comfort of my home. So let's get started. So I have the chart of Euro USD in front of me and I'm using a 1 hour time frame. So let's find out how does it look like in 1 hour time frame. Okay. In 1 hour time frame, we can see the market is going down and right now trading at 1.2086. Okay, and where is the resistance here? We can see that market has a resistance at this particular level, 1.2146, and next resistance at this level, 1.2167, and so this is our second resistance zone. Let me mark it. So this is our second resistance zone and this is our first resistance zone, and right now market is trading at 1.2087. So first resistance at 1.2147 and this is our topmost resistance as of now, and this is a support. We can say that this is support, but apart from this first resistance that I have marked with the help of a line, we do not get to see clear support and resistance here. Okay, so what we can do in that case, or in this type of cases, we can do we can switch to a higher time frame. So we can switch to 4 hours time frame to get a clear picture. So after switching to the 4 hours time frame, let me remove these drawings. After switching to the higher time frame, 4 hours time frame, what do we see? Okay, after switching to 4 hours time frame, we can see that yes, we get the resistance. Okay, so 1.2141, this particular price or this particular territory will be the resistance zone, okay, for us, and this will be the second resistance zone, and this will be the topmost resistance zone. Today is Friday, so this is not required as of now. I'll be coming back again on Monday. So on Monday we can hope for this particular resistance, but today this will be our target, and then this. Right now you can go ahead and execute the trade if you are following a simple indicators, but I do not recommend that. Okay, so what will be the best place to buy? Okay, the best place to place the buy order is this. Okay, right now trading at 1.208. Okay, and our best buy position will be at 1.20617. So I'll say that right now it is in no trading zone. You just need to wait. Okay, just wait till it reaches this particular price level. Okay, once it comes down to this particular price level, just wait for the reversal sign. If it shows some reversal sign or price rejection from below, then you can easily go ahead and place the buy order, or you can go long. And or on the other hand, if it goes up from here and reaches this particular level, then also you just need to observe it. Okay, if after hitting that particular price level, this resistance level, if it shows some reversal sign or shows some price rejection from above, then you can short it. So best place or the best trade will be at this particular zone and this particular zone. And suppose market comes down to this particular zone of 1.2061 and if there is not much if there is no rejection from below and with volume, if it breaks this particular zone, then yes, it will be a breakdown. Then you can short the market here also, and then your target should be 1.1961. That's it. So these two levels are very crucial for you. At this level, you can either buy or sell, and this level you should sell, because there's not much upside here again in resistance. So I'll just say that if it goes up, observe the market. If your indicator or strategy supports it, then you can short it. Okay, and if it comes down to this particular point, just observe the market. If there's a rejection from below and your indicator or candlestick pattern shows you that yes you can go long, then you can easily place the buy order. And if it shows breakdown, then you can short it. Your target will be this. So these two are very important price levels for Euro USD Friday. Okay, hopefully you'll have understood. So have some patience and wait for it. Okay, and if you have liked the video and found it informative, please like the video and share your views on the comment section, and please do subscribe to show your love for the market and also for me. You don't know me, still I'll just say that I've recently started this channel, already mentioned, and I'll be uploading my views on currency pairs on day-to-day basis every day. To stay ahead of the market and to know such amazing information, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.